How to log in to Facebook application. So if you want to log into the Facebook application, then make sure that you install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Now, once you install the application, you just need to simply tap and hold on to that application or just open the application. Once you open the application, now you'll get this kind of interface or you will get the login page. So what you need to do is just enter your mobile number or the email address at the first blank. So enter the email address and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go with create new account, which is on the bottom of your screen. Or if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then enter your mobile number or your email address and go with your password and then tap on login. Once you tap on login, it will log into your account. Just tap on login and now just wait for the approval, or I'll just try another way and tap on the WhatsApp code, or you can go with see more options and tap on continue and go with code, enter the code that you've received on your WhatsApp. So just copy the code from your WhatsApp and paste it right here and go with continue and tap on save and allow the notifications if you want to. And that's it. You've been logged into your Facebook. So that's how you can log into your Facebook account or the Facebook application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.